Where is the error? Where is the error? हाँ, मैं अभी कुछ नहीं कर रही. Where is the error? बताइए. Is this okay? Yeah.
Yes,
To
ma'am.
the same program. This it was the while loop. It was the while loop. To the same program, I'm going to write it. Okay, if I want to find the sum of these numbers, 1 to 10 numbers, how can I find the sum of these 10 numbers? How can I find the sum of these 10 numbers? Firstly, I'm just going to take one variable here, sum equals to 0, right? Sum equals to 0. Then with this, I'm calculating the sum also here. Then instead of this, instead of print, I'm just calculating the sum after while loop. यहाँ पर लिख देते हैं. Am I right? Is this right logic? See? Is this right logic?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Please understand everyone. I equals to 1, sum equals to 0. I is less than to 11. It less than to 11 means up to 10. Sum equals to sum plus I. What is the value of sum? 0. 0 plus I? 0 plus 1? 1. 1 plus 2? 1 plus 3? 1 plus 4? Who will increase the value of, who will update the value of I? Who will update the value of I? I equals to I plus 1. I equals to I plus 1 will update the value of I. Okay. Here I am writing sum for loop. For I in range. Okay, I'm just converting the same program क्योंकि there will be the confusion with you. I'm converting the same program जो अभी लिखा था. ये तो मैंने आपको सम के लिए बताया. सम आप खुद से कन्वर्ट करोगे using while loop also. Sorry, for loop also. I'm just printing. वही 10 numbers वाला लिख रही हूँ मैं. And deleting that part. Is this okay? ये वही आ गया same. 10 numbers print करवाना. Okay. I'm just printing the 10 numbers using for loop also. Range for I in range. Okay. 1 से लेकर आपका कहाँ तक जाएगा? What will be the range there?
10.
Range will be 10, but it always exclude that particular part. I 1 से लेकर आपका जो भी वैल्यू है कॉमा आपका चला गया 11. आपकी वाली रेंज चली गई. अब it needs to print that value I. क्या वैल्यू प्रिंट करवाएगा? अच्छा, one more thing. अब ये देखो 2 times it is printing 10. Why? बताओ. 2 बार 10 10 क्यों प्रिंट कर रहा है ये?
And we have written while loop as well as for loop.
अरे वाह, वेरी गुड. बस एक ही बच्चे का दिमाग चलता है. It is printing 2 times 10 because we are giving 2 times loop there. Definitely. Okay, firstly it is executing according to the while loop. Then after that it is executing according to for loop. If you want to ignore that, तो एक काम करते हैं, इसको इग्नोर कर देते हैं भाई. कैसे इग्नोर करेंगे? ये हो गया मल्टी लाइन कमेंट कि मैंने इतने पोर्शन से इतने पोर्शन तक ये I have ignored that. Otherwise, instead of this, I can write hash also in front of all lines. Okay, in front of all lines, I can write hash also there. Okay, so by using the hash, it will ignore each and every line. But if there is the multiple lines, if we want to ignore that, then definitely we will put apostrophe there 3 times. Okay, this is called the multi-line string. Okay, multi-line comment. Then I'm writing for I in range. What is this? In the while loop, there were the 3 conditions. First condition, there were the test condition. Okay, देखो initialization part, test condition and updation part. Where were the initialization? I equals to 1. In the separate line we were doing that. In the second line we were doing test condition. I less than to 11. While I is less than to 11, then it is okay. It will convert that part. Then the last part, print I. Print I. It means it is printing that statement. It is printing that statement. I equals to I plus 1. It is printing that statement. Okay. Then for I in range I to 10. I to 10. It was writing I to 11, but it will exclude. It will exclude that outer part of outer range part. Okay. It will exclude the outer. Sorry. एक मिनट 31 have joined. कहाँ गया? Yes. Yeah. Okay, it was excluding the outer range part. Okay. It means it will take the number from 1 to 10, not 11. It will not take 11 according to the for loop. Okay. These 3 parts, it is same. The while loop is called the exit control loop. It means at the time of entry control loop, sorry. Entry control loop, at the time of entry, it is asking that particular condition. Let's say I am taking I equals to 1. So it is asking कि I is less than to 11. Yes, it is less than to 11. Then updating the body part of that loop. Okay, then this is the updation part, I equals to I plus 1. But in this loop, all these 3 parts, it is doing in one go only. Okay, for I in range 1 to 11. So 1 to 10, it will include that value, it will update that value and print that part also. So no need to write the updation part separately and the initialization part separately. Only in that particular range, according to that range, it will exclude that part. It will include that part. Is this okay or not? Batao.
Yes, ma'am.
ये देखो. Okay, the same thing. This is the thing that we are doing using while loop. This is the thing we are doing using for loop. I want it. Kindly copy these 2 programs in your computer fast, and after that I'm going to tell about some changes in that. इसको कॉपी करो सबसे पहले अपने कंप्यूटर में फटाफट दोनों चीजों को. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Now change the both programs. Okay, I want to find the sum of these numbers up to 50. 10 to 50 नंबर्स का सम निकालना है. ठीक है, 10 to 50 नंबर्स का सम निकालना है। सबसे पहले इसी में सम निकाल के देखो 10 नंबर्स का दोनों में। Then according to that, what should we do in the while loop and in the for loop also. Then after that you need to convert the 10 to 50. You need to check the sum of 10 numbers.
Ma'am, in while loop the sum is coming 55.
होगी ना खराब ये थैंक यू
Yes, have you done? Done? Oh, कहाँ गया? एक मिनट, wait. Yes.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Other students, do it fast. Okay, who have done Shashwat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shashwat, do the another program. We want to print the table of a number using while loop and for loop also as well. Please send your program, Shashwat, in the chat option of the same group, of the same meeting. Send the program there.
Excuse mom.
Yeah.
Mom, when I'm using the while loop for loop is like mom fine, but mom in the while loop when I'm using mom it's continuously repeating 2. With after 1 it's continuously repeating 2 and mom I guess then.
Can you share the screen? What do you want to say? Can you share the screen or send me the answer there in the chat option? So that's why I can see your error. See, Shaswat had sent some data there also in the chat option. This is for loop, na?
मैम ऊपर वाला for loop है नीचे वाला while loop है
एक मिनट also concentrate मेरे को I'm not able to see that. Screenshot, you can say send me the screenshot here. क्योंकि I'm not able to see that. It is quite blur.
Can I screen share?
Yeah. What is this? I equals to 1. Have you written? Or is this underscore is here?
I equals to 1 I have written.
I equals to 1. Then I is less than to 11. Print I. I equals to I plus 1. You are writing. Then update that.
Okay.
What
Okay.
is? Have you? हाँ तो गया.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Ma'am, for the sum, ma'am, I can just continue, right? After that.
You can continue that. Okay, take one variable at the top. Sum equals to 0. Then sum equals to sum plus 1. You need to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. चलो अब स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं करना. If you're sharing the screen, kindly inform me in advance. Okay, Anja, one more thing. Give the screenshot in the chat option. If you have done that, find the sum in while loop as well and in the for loop also. Okay, kindly find the sum. And the next program is this. Are you able to find the sum? Or you're confused in the for loop? Are you able to do? Are you able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, but it's showing, ma'am, independent block.
Okay. Do it fast and send me the result. Then you can match that also. In the while loop, it was given there ki sum equals to sum plus I. Okay. But here, how can we write it? Okay. In the sum also, again, we will take sum equals to 0 there. Then we will calculate sum equals to sum plus I. Sorry. I. Then after that, if you want to don't want to print that, print sum. Okay, so that's why it is printing the sum according to the for loop. Is this okay? Do it.
Ma'am, then it's showing ma'am 1 to 10 independent numbers and then 10 again.
Independent numbers we want to show 1 to 10. Then after that the sum. Are you asking?
No, ma'am. It's showing that 1 to 10 independent number and then 10 again.
Then 10 again. Okay, it depends on your indentation part, beta. Okay, if you are putting that particular part in the loop only, so then after that, definitely it will show that. Then what do you want from your side? Only the sum or the numbers?
Ma'am, sum.
Sum only ना. Then delete that statement. जैसे अभी मैंने क्या किया? I have deleted that statement. The print I have deleted. Then after that, after the body part of the loop, how can I understand about the body part of loop? According to the given spaces, given indentation. See, if I'm putting that part in the loop here, okay, then after executing that, then in the each and every iteration it will show the sum of that number. Because first in the first iteration, what will be the sum there? 0 plus 1, 1. Okay, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. In the each and every iteration it will show the sum of that number after executing each part. Okay, but without executing that particular part, if you want to see the sum of 10 numbers directly, ठीक है? ये देखो, I'm just executing that part. Wait, ये देखो 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. After each and every iteration, it is giving that particular part. लेकिन if I want that part key, it should show that sum equals to sum only. It should show like this only कि sum equals to ये वाला sum है. तो ठीक है, मैंने loop से बाहर ले लिया. Okay, according to that I'm taking it out of the loop. It is in the memory. ये देखो, sum equals to 55 is given there directly because it is out of the loop. Okay, firstly it is converting each and every iteration part. It is converting that sum of those 10 number. Then after that, whenever it is coming out of the loop, then it is executing and showing that part, the sum. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you should try that. And trial is not sufficient for the your classes only. At home also you need to do practice. A lot practice is required. Okay, by changing each and every steps, whatever the ma'am was doing, ki I was putting my print statement here, then after that I am putting here. So what will happen? You need to search that. Okay, कि अगर ये वाला स्पेस मैंने 1 दिया है, 2 दिया है, या जितने भी स्पेसेस हमने दिए, according to that what will happen? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's showing sum is equals to 10.
Okay, share me the screen. What do you want to say? Otherwise, give me the screenshot there in the chat option. Send the screenshot.
Ma'am, sent.
Sent. Okay, just wait, I'm checking that. ये क्या है? What are you sending here?
Ma'am, I have not sent this.
इसका मैं क्या करूँगी? 10 भेज दिया. Give me the code. So that's why I can guess about your error ना. ये क्या भेज रही
Ma'am,
हो?
I sent the image.
वंशिका है ये? Who is this?
Ma'am, Aryan.
बेटा कोड कहाँ भेजा है तूने मेरे को? आर्यन ओके ये रहा. इतना सारा आंसर भेजने की क्या जरूरत थी? चलो. यस सम इक्वल्स टू 0. सम इक्वल्स टू सम प्लस आई. प्रिंट सम ठीक तो है? व्हाट विल हैपन देन? Save your program. Save your program again. Save your program. Then after that you will execute that. Save your program. Then you will execute that. See? According to that, you need to do. Okay. Print the table of a number that you will ask a number from the user. Okay. Then print the table of a particular number. Tomorrow we will discuss about the PDF. Okay. The PDF of the loops and different cautions we will do. Today you need to do the table. Okay.
Ma'am, I have sent, ma'am. Can you please check is it correct or not?
Okay. It is okay, Vanshika. Give the indentation also there after the 4. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's there, but due as I have copied it, it's not showing.
Okay. Acha. Yes. The multiplication table of that particular number. This is absolutely correct. The multiplication number. Okay. For the table. This is visible to all. You can see and do that in your computers. Table of a number. Garam dos. Done, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the last class, have we discussed about the factorial of a number? Factorial of a number?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
did discuss.
What was the factorial of a number? 4 factorial means?
Ma'am, factorial
4.
means like the sum of the
Ah,
all the previous numbers with the number.
yeah, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. है So according to
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
you need to convert the factorial of a number program. I want it on the same screen using while and using for also. Using while and using for also. We want to print the factorial of a number. Able to do? 5 factorial, 7 factorial, 10 factorial, 9 factorial. Any number, for the any number, it needs to calculate the factorial of a number. Done? Are you able to do? Akshita, it is okay, beta?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Factorial of a number you need to calculate. See, the answer will be like this. 5 into 1 equals to 5, just like this. According to that output. According to
Can
that.
you please tell this?
Am I audible? Am I audible? Class
Yes,
sound
ma'am.
enough? Okay,
Yes.
tomorrow I will take a small test of if else, while and for loop. Kindly do practice at home. Okay, I will give any two question regarding to the looping and the if else also. Okay, kindly do practice at home. Is this okay? Fine. I'm just down 31. 30 students are present. I'm downloading your attendance. Chalo. Akansha? Akansha Sharma? Arav? Arav Sharma? Arav Grewal? Arav Grewal? Agnish?
Present, ma'am.
Aishwarya?
Present, ma'am.
Akshita?
Present, ma'am.
Arumita? Aryan Sinha? Arumita, I received.
Present, ma'am.
Aryan Sinha?
Present,
Bhavya?
ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Bhardwaj?
Present, ma'am.
Bhavya Mishra?
Present, ma'am.
Daman?
Present, ma'am.
Devansh?
Present, ma'am.
Drishan? Galaxy?
Present, ma'am.
Galaxy
Ma'am,
Rahul?
Dishita ma'am, we are
नीचे क्यों नहीं
present.
जा रहा?
Ma'am, present, ma'am. Galaxy.
हाँ, I received बेटा.
Ma'am, Galaxy Rawat present.
हाँ, I received बेटा.
Ma'am, Dishita ma'am, we are present.
हाँ. ये ना नीचे ड्रैग नहीं हो पा रहा है, इसमें सिस्टम में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. Anyway, I downloaded your attendance. I will check it there. Okay, you can leave now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.